In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix store to Facebook and Instagram shops using GoDataFeed. We'll start right inside your Wix dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct store site. Then head to the app section and open the App Market. You can also find App Market in the left sidebar, depending on your layout. This is where we'll add the tool that links your Wix products to Facebook and Instagram, so you don't have to manage listings in multiple places. In the App Market search bar, carefully type Facebook Shops by GoDataFeed. It's important to pick the exact app so you get the right integration. When it appears, click Add to Site, review the requested permissions, and confirm. The installation may take a moment while Wix connects everything in the background. Once installed, Wix will open the GoDataFeed setup wizard in a new tab. Here, either create a new GoDataFeed account or sign in if you already have one. You'll enter your email address, your store name exactly as it appears in Wix or your brand, a secure password, and your payment method for the GoDataFeed subscription. If a free trial is available, you can start with that. When everything looks good, click Confirm or Start My Trial to finish setting up your account. Next, connect your Facebook and Instagram shops. In the GoDataFeed dashboard, follow the on-screen prompts to link your Facebook page, and then connect your Facebook shop and Instagram shop if you have one. Make sure you grant the requested permissions so GoDataFeed can sync your product catalog and manage orders. A quick tip, you'll need the correct admin access to your Facebook page and commerce account, and your Instagram should be a professional account linked to your Facebook page. With the connections in place, GoDataFeed will automatically pull your Wix product catalog. Review your product mappings so details like price, title, description, and images appear the way you expect in Facebook Shop. This is a good time to tidy up any product data and ensure it meets Facebook's commerce policies. When you're ready, submit the feed and enable automatic sync. That way, new items, inventory changes, and price updates flow to Facebook without extra work. From here, you can manage orders and ongoing sync inside GoDataFeed. New orders from Facebook and Instagram will show up in your GoDataFeed dashboard and can be routed back to your Wix store for fulfillment. You'll also find tools for inventory sync, product updates, and feed error handling. Check these